nowadays, people enjoy a lot more watching a video than reading a content on your website. So I think it really clicks with our customers.
That's Rodrigo Vasconcelos of Palette Pro Painting and Renovation. YouTube videos, like this one of a wall striping project, have been a successful marketing tool for his company.
We kind of did a time lapse, step by step, but we shortened to about 2 minutes and put some music there to make it fun, and I think the end product came out great. We have a lot more going on in the near future, but the ones that we have on our website already, we got a ton of comments, and so it's fun, and at the same time it's useful for our